Covering some spreadsheet basics. I'm using Google Sheets to cover spreadsheet basics. So let's take a look. The first thing, when you're looking at Google Sheets, often, especially educational support professionals, will be asked to help document, help capture some of the data that's done. So I have fake student names, I have a fake student assignment, and I have some fake grades. But the gist is, how do I use this data that I know? So I have what you can't see, a pencil and a piece of paper that has a list of all of the grades that are to input. It doesn't matter if it's percentages, numbered right, that part is unimportant. What matters is, how do I input it into a spreadsheet? Many people are used to using a word processor like Google Docs or Microsoft Word, but spreadsheets kind of give them the heebie jeebies. So I'm going to cover the idea of entering this data in. So first, someone set up, so I've got a student name in column A. Column B, I have assignment 1. Underneath that, I want to input the grade for autumn that was received. So the student autumn, I would like to input the grade. The way to do it is to click 1, 2 times, so 1, 2. And you can see how there's that flashing cursor now. Now I can edit this individual cell, and you can see the cell is highlighted as I'm editing. It's got that blue rectangle around it. And as I typed here, the same thing showed up here. Later on, we'll use this formula bar, but for now, what you care about is I I double clicked in cell B2. So B row 2. When I'm finished, I hit enter. You'll see it goes to the next cell. I can either double click again or start typing the next grade. Hit enter. Start typing the next grade. Hit enter. Start typing the next grade. Hit enter. On this next one, I'm going to make a mistake. Oops, I wanted to type 48. So to go back, if I click here, I either have the ability to click once and type 48 and it replaces it, or I can click twice, 1, 2, and then see how it gives me the flashing cursor inside. So then I can edit that. So then I'm going to finish typing here, put the grades in that are shown for these students that they've earned, and again, using that type and enter. I'm using the enter key there. So let's see if I got the right row here. Still doing grades. And last, do this. Perfect. Now, I've got my grades in. What you navigated through was the idea that I selected one time and then I can type over top of that, or if I click, type, click, click on the mouse, I can then select and change everything in that cell. Cells work differently than tables or other things that this looks like in word processing.